Hi friends, this is Akshata here with yet another quick and delicious recipe. Today we'll be making some burritos, which is a Mexican dish. And for the beans, I'll be using some chauli or some black-eyed beans. So let's head on to the ingredients and let's get started. About 1 cup of chauli. In my description box below, I will leave the instructions as to how to cook this chauli. Then we require some whole wheat rotis or chapatis, about 3 tablespoons of pizza pasta sauce, some pizza pasta seasoning, about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 onion chopped finely, about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic finely sliced, some cheese, grated processed cheese, some olive oil for cooking and some salt. So our first process is we are going to prepare our chauli, which is the main filling. Also, we require some hung curd. That is, once we assemble our burrito, we require this hung curd. What I have done is I have taken about 3 cups of curd and put them in a muslin cloth and hung it overnight, so you get this thick consistency. So now let's start preparing our filling. Now our first step is preparing the chauli filling. For this, I have heated up my pan and now I'll be adding some olive oil. We don't need to heat our olive oil a lot. So I've taken about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we will add some garlic. Then goes in our onion. We fry this for a little while, about a minute. Next goes in our pizza pasta sauce. This is a very easy dish to make. It's good for lunch or for dinner. It's very light also. Now we'll add in our pizza pasta seasoning, about 1 teaspoon, about half a teaspoon of chili flakes. If you want it more spicy, you can add some more. Now we'll add in our chauli or our black-eyed beans. Give it all a good mix. Now if you like some pepper, the flavor of pepper, you can add about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. If you don't like pepper, then you can skip the pepper. And a little salt to taste. The pizza pasta sauce already has some salt, so please keep that in mind and add less salt. Now we don't have to add any water in this because this is the filling for the burrito, so it has to be on the dry side. So now we'll cook this for just 1 minute and our filling is ready. Once it is cooled down, after 5 minutes, we can start assembling our burrito. Now friends, we are going to assemble our burrito. So for that, I first have my wheat rotis or chapatis. Then I have this filling of chauli which I have prepared. Then we have some grated processed cheese, some hung curd, and in addition, if you like this, you can add it, some very finely chopped onion and some chopped jalapenos. Now let's start assembling. So first we will take one of the rotis and we will put in our chauli filling in the middle. Don't overstuff it because then it is very difficult to handle and very difficult to eat. So I've taken about 2 tablespoons and put it in the middle. Then we put some onion. This is optional. The onion and the jalapenos are optional. Then we'll put in some curd. Now this curd actually gives it a very good flavor. A nice sour flavor. So you can drop that curd in the middle. And we will put some grated cheese on the top. And now we are ready to roll our burrito. So what we will do is, first you take the ends where the filling is not there and you turn it like this and roll. And there you have it. Your Chauli burrito is all ready. I will show you one more. Take your whole wheat roti or chapati. Take your filling. Don't overstuff it. Then put in a little bit of onion, a few jalapenos, some grated cheese, and some hung curd. You can put the hung curd first or you can put the grated cheese first. It's up to you what you like. But the hung curd gives an amazing flavor. Again, roll this end and turn. So here it is, friends, your Chauli burrito. I hope you like this recipe. Please do give it a try. Please subscribe to my channel. And this is Akshata saying take care and bye until another video.